Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where all these different red line and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's action, once again, the charts need some updates. First I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. These lines that I'm deleting, yes, they still pertain to the chart, but in the spirit of not having, a million lines all over the place. I'm not sure why there's 2 lines there, but we'll get rid of that one. But in the spirit, like I said, of not wanting to create clutter, which can lead to confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update comes from just a very foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0044 as resistance. But now that the price is above it, this would be the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 0044, then that's certainly going to make the chart look the healthiest. Now, if the price, breaks below it, I'm not saying that everything is ruined or anything like that. That is just that preferable level of support. From the big kind of grand scheme of things, big picture, as long as the price is up above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, then as far as I'm concerned, bulls are in full health, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? First level of resistance right here at 005. Yes, it was broken today, but the price could not maintain above it, and the price fell back below it, so therefore 005 still got to be considered an area of resistance. And then the next one after 005 is actually where the price got rejected from, and that's up there at that red line, which I drew these in here yesterday, and that's up there at 0053. So 005, 0053. 005 was definitely weakened today. I mean, like I said, the price did get up above it, so I would agree if you would say, hey, that level was at least weakened. But as far as 0053, that one's still holding strong. But all in all, at the end of the day, whether or not these resistance levels are broken tomorrow, that really means nothing, because as long as the price just keeps on putting in these higher bases like it's been doing, then the overall chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing for the past couple of weeks. So it's all about building higher bases, putting in those higher lows. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.